To adjust the color transparency level of your lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. When you set one of the color wallpapers as your lock screen wallpaper, you can adjust the color transparency level of the lock screen wallpaper. To do so, tap colors at the bottom of the screen. On the color section, slide the transparency level adjustment bar to the right to get more solid color, or you can slide it to the left to get more transparent color. If you are happy with the result, tap done button to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.